Hello friendly friends! So a couple of days ago I got an email. Yeah, I was surprised to find that 148 Fantasy, the Rift War, was in there. So I am apparently one of two guys out there outside the developer teams that have had a look at this game. So this is just a printed version because it is in like, what do you want to call it? I don't know, beta testing or something. It's coming soon on the Kickstarter. And what's fun, I have been playing all week. This was on Friday and today is Monday. So I had some days playing this game and reading about it. And what's very fun for me that I have a little say in the rules. So there are a lot of different little actions you can take. And I have, if you want to know, I have the climb, jumping and push are rules that I have been suggested in this game. I haven't suggested like the actual rule, but I suggested that maybe we need to have that as well. So it's a very neat game system. It is a game system where you use your miniatures that you have. So you can use 3D printed miniatures, you can use miniatures from a lot of different ranges, and I really like the options you can put in there and just make whatever you have, you know, available. So if you are in a tournament, playing like a big tournament, and between games you can pick this up and play, because this is the sweet thing. This is a game that is extremely brutal. It's fast, but if you get the feel of playing an actual game like the big games, but it's just it goes faster. I feel like this is a game that you can have a lot of fun with, and it's a very unique spin on the miniatures games. I'm going to try to talk a little bit how it is. So you can hire you have 12 coppers. The points are called coppers, and what you're doing with them, you are buying your crew. And your crews are, so by the way, it is based on a card game. So you take the cards, they are 64 cards or something like that, and on them they have these symbols, and this is for magic. It is one. You have other ones, so this is one copper. Other ones are melee and like bow shooting. So these are costing 2 coppers. So you see what I mean? Just the cost are just what you summarize what the numbers are in here, and that's how you play it. Every miniature. So this one, yeah, I can assign this to be the hired sword. Just easy, and every base what you're walking are 4 inch, plus if you have melee you get 1 extra, so you get from this one you have 5 inch. Somebody has maybe 2 or 3, then you have just 4 plus 3 is 7. So there you go. Everybody except the wizards have 3 actions they can use. You have a pool of 5 actions, so you can see you can spend 5 action on one of each guy or girl, or you can spend 3 on one or 4 on a magician and try to do stuff. The bow are a little different. You can move as you normally want to do, but you can also move and shoot. And then you move 1 inch in this instant, and then you can shoot, or shoot and then move. And you can do this 3 times. So over 10 inch you get use 6 dice, so you, instead of 4 you get 5 to hit. It's a beautiful, slim, nice system. Everything has 2 life. If you hit something and you wound it, you know, you get 4 if you hit it. Then you turn it over. If you then hit it again, it's dead. If it survives, it has to use 1 turn. So when it's my turn, I need to use 1 turn to like tap it up again, so it's ready next turn. The scenarios are easy, but they are flavorful. There are just a lot of things in here that is just very nice, and it's a neat system. And so there are little descriptions here, like so maximum attrition is just you gaze across the field and you want to punch the other ones. And it says duration, this scenario ends after turn 6 when a Legion of Darkness arrive. So it has a little flavor in the rules, but you understand what's going to happen. So after turn 6 it's done, and then you find out how you win. And between matches, so they are so short matches, you can have them in 10 to 20 minutes. So after you have finished one, you can go to the next one, and between sessions or between like campaigns or fights, you shift scenarios, and you are going into the marketplace where you can sell one of your guys. So if I want to sell hired sword, I get 2 coppers back, and I can spend it on magic items or another crew member or something. And it's a very neat system, and it also has solo. And yeah, this is just a little quick introduction to what it is. It is still a game in progress, so things you see here will change. So the cards are going to be normal card size. The Rift War is a card game as it stands now, and now it's coming over to miniatures game. I probably should have said it in the start of this, but I was really wanted to just tell you about this. And I have to say, I hope this is going to go well in Kickstarter, because I want this. Another one very good point for this game is it's Norwegian. It's a Norwegian-based game, and they has the printers are ready to print are also in Norway, so they are like just a walking distance between them, so they can just like get there very fast and proofread stuff, and you know, it's very it's if the Kickstarter is going according to plan, they are going to print it, and like in 2 weeks it's going to be stuff is going to be shipping out of the factory. So there's a lot of things going for this game, and I'm very excited, if you can't tell. So anyways, thank you all for watching. This was DiceyGuy, or Kim-Arne Larsen, and it's very cool for me that I have I was one of the lucky 2 guys that was looking at this, and for some cool reason I just really loved it. And in the credits there they have a big thank you for playtesters, and my name is in there, and that's very cool. I have to say, I didn't expect that, but I was giving them feedback all over the weekend. I have been playing with my son too, and I have to just say before we end this that one of the best characters in the game, oh no, there you go. So one of the best characters in the game is of course Birk the Brave. It's the name of my son, and we have been playing this game, and you know, I have playtested this game with 10 cards. In the original game it's going to be 60 plus cards, so you have a bigger difference. You are randomizing your crew, and from that you are trying to buy your best options. Anyways, yeah, thank you all for watching. See you in the next one. Links below to Patreon and stuff like that. That would help a lot if you are considering to be a Patreon of me. Thank you so much for watching this, and thank you MGames for sending me this, and I really had a blast looking at it. So look out for Kickstarter, links below. Follow it, and let's make it happen, okay? I want this to happen, okay? All right, bye.